Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following procedures satisfy the accuracy and valuation audit objective related to the presentation and disclosure? So we're looking at presentation and disclosure, and the audit objective is valuation and accuracy is the proper amount. That's what we're looking at. 1. Use a disclosure checklist to determine whether the financial statement include all the disclosure required by accounting standard. Well, before we proceed, now if you're using Farhat Lectures, you could just ask AI to explain this topic, which is the audit related to presentation and disclosure, if you'd like to do that. Okay, because we do have Farhat AI. Now, 1, it says it deals with the checklist. What's the checklist used for? Remember, the checklist to make sure we didn't skip over anything. So it deals with completeness. So 1 does not deal with accuracy and valuation, deals with completeness. Good. Immediately we could take out A because it has 1, B it has 1. We cannot eliminate C or D. 2, reconcile the amount included in the long-term debt footnote to information examined and supported in the audit files for long-term debt. Are you doing so? Are you reconciling the footnote to the supporting schedule? So basically you're looking at the footnote and he said, as I gave in the example, 5.4 million. They have like 6 loans and a total 5.4 million. Now, if you want to make sure that's correct, you go to the work papers and you should have 6 different loan agreements and you add them up. You have a schedule for each one and they should add up to the same amount. Why are you doing so? You're doing so to make sure the valuation, this 5.4 million, the valuation is accurate. It's the proper amount. Therefore, 2 is correct. The answer is 2. Now, on Farhat Lectures, what you can do if you don't like these answers, you could ask AI to explain the answer choices differently, or you can just ask AI to create a similar MCQ for additional practice. What should you do? Whether you are an accounting student or a CPA exam candidate, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, podcast lessons, multiple choice, AI resources, notes to help you prepare. Best of luck, stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.